I'm Axel Scarlett, and please subscribe to my channel. Wait a minute, my aunt just called me. I'm back. Sorry, no, stupid in silence. This is my cousin Sky, but no, dude. He just sira ulit.
Pwede talaga Pilipino.
This is my grandmother. And my grandmother. Oh, I did not say.
Kailangan ko namin nakasama dito. Wala ko yung barangay official.
I'm gonna show you our old pictures. Okay? Go! Let's go, go, go! This is my grandmother when she's young. And my great grandmother when she's teen. My grandmother when she's young. Let me show you my grandfather. But she passed away. I think it's gone. Oh, I found it. Found it. No. Found it. This is my grandfather, but he passed away. Sorry about my grammar. I'll have you. This is my sister. My sister Alexis.
Huwag mo natalaan po tayong ano. Sabi nga, manatalaan.
This is the periodical table. Hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere. Ano to? I'm going to the street. This is my grandmother's picture when she's teen. I mean, teen.
Siya yung nakakita. Mga oras niyo po nakita.
Ayun.
Nagluto po kayo kanina.
Ilan yan?
So, yun lang po siyang para. Hindi naman siya mga
Oh.
problema. Pero sa tayo nakakakal siya.
This is my grandfather who passed away. January 30th. And my sister and mommy, this is my sister. This is my mommy. They're about their results. I love you and me. So, Star Striker. Ninang. Ninang. Ang pangalan ng videos na yan ay Mabangis na sawa pinasok ang mga dalaga. This is my grandmother, this is my great grandmother, this is my great grandfather, this is my great grandmother, this is my great grandfather. This is my great great grandmother. So this is my Sigma boy. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sorry about that. I did not see that. You don't know Scooby-Doo. Are your facts? I'm going to read Baby Grok away. Read this Baby Grok away. This is my grandpa's and my Ah, it crashes out. Shut your mouth up. And this is my grandmother's. Shut your mouth up. Soccer. This is Steve, Lola Melody. And this is
Eh,
Tita.
tatitignan namin na.
Sorry, my cousin is so annoying. So loud. This is my grandma's and grandpa's. This is Inay and this is Kuya Laki. And this is